Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good, feeling irie, because we are looking into your person and we are looking into the question, what do they think of you? So get your snacks ready as we gather the intuitive, juicy gems.
Guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. T-Sippers, guarantee. Welcome to T-Sippers, yeah.
So I hope you have some snacks or some juice, some tea as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Do have a look on the channel for all of the juicy, intuitive gems available, such as pick a card readings, okay, all signs, collective tarot messages that we do regarding the person on your mind. And we also have the Summer of Love pick a card readings available on the live tab as well. Okay, so the person on your mind, look what has popped up while shuffling. Your beauty both inside and out captivates me endlessly. This is what they think of you right now. This is the energy that we see, okay? So we're gonna have a look now into, okay, we're gonna look into this bag and see what wants to come out. We have questions, we have like story cubes. We're gonna see what wants to come out. So for the collective, the person on your mind, what do they want to let you know right now? Okay, what do you need to know right now? Okay, what do they think about you? What do they think of you? Let's have a look and see what wants to come out. Okay. Oh, okay. So we have. What do they think of you? Look at this person. Look at the message that they're trying to give you right now. They're trying to give you this message of wanting to grow old with you. Think of the Six of Cups, okay? Could be that energy of like looking back at the past and going, look how far we've made it. Look how far we've come. Okay? Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Your beauty both inside captivates them endlessly. And look what we have here. Look at what we have here. It's a ship. Okay, it did come out this way, but we've got a car, ship, travel. So someone wants to come towards you. Someone wants to see you. This is the message that I'm getting. Okay, so we're gonna have a look at the Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to let you know right now. What does the Jamaican proverb want you to know right now regarding this person, the person on your mind? What do they think of you? What do they think of you? What do they think of you? Oh, we have here, okay? We have the John Crow think him own pitney white. The John Crow, think him own pitney white. This simply means like the crow bird, okay? The black crow bird, okay? When the crow bird has its own like children, so pitney meaning children in Jamaican patois, okay? It's this idea that the child can do no wrong. The child can do no wrong. Okay, now I feel like this is the energy of the way they see you is like you can't do any wrong. They always think their own is best. So one-sided view. But I feel like the view is that this energy of you captivating them endlessly. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So we're gonna have a look into the late night thoughts, okay? And I'm drawn to call on the cupcake. Yes, we're gonna pull out this cupcake as well, the juicy cupcake at Wagwan Tarantee, and see what wants to come through, okay? Because I feel like there's some hot gal messages coming through for you, okay? So let's start with the late night. Let's start with the late night. Should we have a little kind of sing along for the late night? Let us know. Put it in the comments below. Okay. Let's shuffle. Let's see if I can make up one now on the spot. Let's shuffle for the late night. Ooh, that person on your mind's got late night thoughts. Shuffle for the late night. Ooh, the person on your mind has late night thoughts. Ooh, wait, look at this. Look at that. What do they think of you? And we have a lot of energy popping through. Here we have the message. The last time we spoke, I couldn't help but blush under the loving gaze, knowing your connection is something truly special. Ooh, wee! Ooh la la. I hope you can see that. Might have to just adjust it a bit. Yes, I think you can see a lot better now. Okay. Ooh la la. Ooh wee. Okay. So let's have a look and see what else wants to come out. We have the last time we shared a passionate kiss. Every time you hear that's the intuitive gem is coming through. Look at this. A passionate kiss. I knew that their love was like no other. Again, look at this message. You know, I feel like this person sees you as a soulmate. Look at this. Look at that. It could also be wanting to take you to their parents and family. Okay. Okay. I feel like this could be a crush. This could be a love interest. This could be someone who could be even like they could be fantasizing. They could be wondering of what it would be like. Because look at this. Their lips are the softest temptation, leaving me longing for more. Oh, wee! Put it in the comments. Yeah. Let us know what's going on. Ooh, wee! Hey, now I feel like it might need a little bit more adjusting. Just bear with me because I just want to make sure you see all of these intuitive gems. Is that better? It's a bit wonky, but I hope it's a little bit better for you. Apologize for the camera right now. Come on, camera, don't fail on us now. Now we're getting all these intuitive gems. Okay, okay. So let's have a look and see what else wants to come out for the collective. Okay, so we have here the way they trace their fingers along my skin, sends tingles down my spine. Now, if this hasn't happened in real life, this could be something they're fantasizing. Again, this is the late night thoughts. We're looking into their late night thoughts. We're just making some space here. We are looking into their late night thoughts. Okay. Ooh la la. Right, we're just gonna have a look again in the little bag and see what else wants to come out. Let's see if there's a question. Let's see if we can get a question. Oh, yes, we did. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna have a look and see what it's telling us. Although, by the way, look what has popped out. What does that look like to you? What does that look like to you, a nurse? The message that I'm getting is Night Nurse by Gregory Isaacs, reggae singer. Only you alone can quench this thirst. This means night nurse, only you alone can quench this thirst, can quench this thirst. Oh, wee! Oh, wee, look at this. My night nurse. Oh, wee! Oh, wee! Someone sees you as a night nurse, eh? Eh, ooh la la. Okay, so we have what did the main characters have in common? So we're looking at what did the main characters have in common? So we're looking at you and this person on the mind. What do you have in common? What do you have in common? Let's pull out the Karma Tarot and let's have a look and see. What do you both have in common? Okay, let's just shuffle the deck. Shuffle, baby. Right, so what do you both have in common? The person on your mind, what do you both have on? Both have on. I was about to say both have on in common, but what do you both have in common? Something wants to. Ooh, Five of Swords. Both have in common. So there's a Five of Swords. I feel like the Five of Swords is this energy, is what you both have in common is what you are. I feel like there's an overthinking here, energy here. And with the Two of Swords, I feel like it's the Two of Swords is really that like the Two of Swords that's the figure is holding is to ask yourself, what do you think is really going on? What is your intuition really telling you here? Okay, because I feel like this energy is like perhaps you're like dwelling and thinking, oh, do they really think about me? Or and I feel like the message is like, yes, but get this energy out of doubting it. Trust what your intuition is telling you, and use your discernment. Okay. Now we're gonna look and see what's significant because look, we've got the Nine of Swords. So I feel like there could have been a lot of like thinking about this person. This person could be also doing the same about you. Something feels like it wants to pop out. Look at this. We've got again this Eight of Swords energy. Okay, and then we have the Magician at the back, and I feel like the Magician is kind of saying get clear with what you want, because if you don't get clear with what you want, look what was popping up, the Eight of Swords. Look what, and what is the figure holding in their hand is another swords that they can like like cut this all up so that they can come basically be free. But because they're so caught in their feelings right now, they're not making kind of like a well informed or clear choice. Okay, so I feel intuitively drawn to pull from the middle. Look at this, the moon. The moon. I feel like the message here is there's a lot of hidden thoughts, hidden feelings, but it's also like getting clear, connecting with those hidden thoughts and feelings. What is your intuition telling you at this time? Okay. Now I feel like perhaps there could be, it could be any air. It could be I'm getting any air sign. It could be any air sign. It could be any fire sign. It could be any sun. Sorry, any fire, any water, any earth sign. Okay, so when we say in air signs, with like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, fire signs, fire signs. Come on, oh my god, come on, we know the fire signs: Leos, Aries, Sagittarius. That's it. Then we have the water signs: Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, and the earth signs. Okay, we have Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. So it could be any, but I feel like there's a strong energy of being in their thoughts, because we are looking at what do they think of you. Okay, so I feel like there's a lot of passionate thoughts here. There's also like lots of thoughts about like this person could perhaps have long oversight when they think of you, and I feel like when they do think of those thoughts, it's like it brings them a sense of strength. I feel like it's almost like they want to come towards you. Perhaps someone has been hurt in the past or is still kind of healing, and it's maybe it could be even triggering things because they have strong feelings. Okay. All right. Oh la la. So we are now going to look into some more late night thoughts, okay? Because it seems like, and this could be for some of you, there could be more than one person here, okay? But I feel like the feelings, what's going on here is this person is having like caught up in their feelings, caught up in their feelings. Okay, what else do they want you to know? Or what is it that they're hiding? Actually, what is it they what are their hidden late night thoughts about you? Oh, look at that. Their their captivating eyes hold a mystery that makes me want to unravel their every secret. Ooh la la. We have the way they hold me close makes me feel like we are the only two souls in the universe. Ooh la la. Look, we're going into their hidden thoughts now. especially as we saw the moon earlier, and that's all about the hidden thoughts. Okay, any more hidden thoughts? Oh, yes, there are more. So we have, I crave the warmth. Look at this. I crave the warmth of their body pressed against mine, creating an intoxicating intimacy. Ooh la la. So this person has some strong feeling, strong feeling. They have some strong feeling. Yeah, some strong feeling. Ooh la la. So we're gonna look into this deck now. We've got some hobbies, interests, things that they may enjoy, physical characteristics, things they may want to say to you, things they may want to say to you from their higher self. So we're looking into their divine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay, so the DM to the DF. Let's have a look and see what this person on your mind wants to let you know right now. So what do they think of you? What do they? Woo! Look at this. We have light colored eyes. Light colored eyes. Okay, we have your strength and resilience inspires me to be stronger and invite growth in my life. Look at this. Your sparkling eyes. So you can have some sparkling eyes. It could even make them just like I'm getting tingled with delight. We have nature lover. Nature lover. So this person might enjoy the indoors. I'm also getting the message it could be part of their fantasies as well. We have I find solace in your arms. Look at this. They feel like home. Look at this. Your energy alone brings a sense of calm and comfort. Bookworm avid reader. Okay, so this person might be giving you a clue that they may enjoy books, or it could be something that you enjoy doing. Okay, perhaps even the nature lover could be something you enjoy doing, or something they've discussed, or could have something you could have talked about. Here's another clue. Someone who enjoys cooking. It could be something they could have cooked for you. They could have talked about cooking or enjoyed like lots of varieties of foods, trying new things. It could also be like cultural foods. Okay, going out to new places and trying like new foods. Here we have, look, intellectual and stimulating correlation conversation. So I feel like there could be a strong earth sign here as well. A strong earth sign or a fire sign. Again, it could be any sign. Okay, but especially because we've got the intellectual and stimulating conversations, that is very strong in like the Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius energy. Okay, intellectual and stimulating conversations, but it could be any sign. But seeing that we've seen a lots of swords, I feel like there could be a heavy energy of the Libra, Aquarius, and what's the other one? Libra, Aquarius, and of course, Gemini. How could we forget fellow Gemini? Okay, what else? What else? What else do they want you to know? What else? What other clues? Let's have a look into their higher self. What does their higher self want to let you know right now? Ooh, did one fly? It felt like one. Yes, it did. Look at this. Look at this. This is beaming, 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 beaming through the reading. I love everything about you. I'm getting this message as well that someone could have a really deep voice when they communicate, when they talk to you. Okay, and I'm getting the message that you could be seeing two a lot. You could be seeing twos a lot as well. Avid sports fan. Okay, so there could have been some discussions. Perhaps it could be like a shirt or some kind of like fan memorabilia that they may have. Okay. Okay, what else? One fell on the lap. Oi, 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 oi. The way, look at this, look at this, look at the messages. Your laugh makes my heart skip a beat. Your laugh makes my heart skip a beat. The way you understand me without words is truly special. Foodie lover enjoys trying new foods, eating out. You look at that, there's strong energy of food. Food has come out twice here. What else do they want you to know? Oi, 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 oi. So there could be any sign. Perhaps they could be an earth sign and he enjoys the outdoors, or they just enjoy the outdoors. Okay, but there's an outdoor adventurer. Outdoor adventurer, eh? Okay. What else do they want you to know? Okay. We have your happiness is my top priority. I want to see you thrive. And I feel like this is again their long oversight because if we look here at this imagery of like these two people, and it's like if we look there, it's like this energy. This could be the person on your mind who stand behind you, and I'm getting the message like, yeah, that's my man. I'll stand behind him. Yeah, yeah, I'll stand behind him. Yeah, but I feel like I'm getting the yep, that's my woman. Yep, that's my girl. I'll stand behind her. I'll stand behind her and support her in every way. Support her in every way. Okay, now I'm getting drawn to this message again. What else do you have in common? Let's have a look and see what they want to let you know. So what else do you have in common? The person on your mind and you. What else do you have in common? What else do you have in common? So what else do you have? Ooh, okay, something flipped over. Hopefully we'll see again. What do you have in common? Okay. Something to do with dimples. Something to do with dimples. There could have been discussion. It could be like maybe you've laughed about it. Conversation about dimples. Someone has dimples that you know or in the family. We have here the sound of your name brings a smile to my face every time. Now, I feel like this could be a love interest, a crush, but there is some connection with somebody or somebody that you're who's still in your energy, whether it's like a recent ex or something. But we've got a message that the sound of your name. This could be something that you have in common with this person as well. That when you hear their name being called, okay, and it could be like in perhaps it could be in a work environment, it could be in a leisure facility. It could be somewhere where you see them on a day-to-day basis. They could still maybe be engaging with you right now. Because look at this. There's a dazzling smile. They're really trying to come through. Look. Oi, 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 oi. Dazzling smile. And we have here. Look at this. Look at this. Your voice is like a beautiful melody that lingers in my mind. Oi, 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 oi. Any more? Let's see. Any messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? Any messages from the divine masculine? As the divine masculine has kind of been coming through. Was just looking to see. Ooh, yes, some fell on the floor. 1 second. 1 second. Look at this. There's a lot of energy here. Passionate about volunteering and giving back. So this person could be very passionate about volunteering and giving back. Could be something they've discussed. They have a very fit and toned physique. Or you could have also a very fit and toned physique. Okay. Or talked about wanting to get fit and becoming more toned. We have being with you is effortless. It just feels right. And I feel like this is the energy again. Something just feels right. And we have, I'm afraid to admit how deeply I've fallen for you. And I feel like this is what we saw earlier with the Five of Swords, is this energy of like, oh my gosh, this could, depending on where we are, it could make everything feel awkward and I don't know, how can I ever look at you again? And that, I feel like perhaps it could even be a friend that has known you for a while and now is wanting to even come forward and really express how they truly feel. Okay, what else does the collective need to know right now? regarding this person on their mind. And what do they think of you? What do they think of them? Okay, how do they think and feel? We have, look at this, there's a strong energy about your smile and your laughter, your presence, your aura. I'm getting that when this person thinks of you, they see gold, they see a gold ray. Okay, it makes them feel good to be in your presence. And I'm not getting like a selfish energy or anything. I'm just getting like just thoroughly just enjoy being around your presence, and it brightens up their day. Okay, so your smile and laughter is like music to me. I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. So they love looking at you, seeing you smile, looking at your smile and seeing your smile. So I want you to just take a couple of seconds, okay? Just a couple of seconds. And who is coming to mind? Who is coming to mind? Okay, what kind of things is mesmerizing, right, or coming to mind right now? What is really kind of like making you think, oh, it really feels like this person. Who is this person that enjoys your presence? And maybe you even notice that they kind of stare or have this kind of gaze or this like loving gaze when you talk to them, or just mesmerized. Okay, who is this person? And it will come to you. Trust your intuition and use your discernment. Oh la la. Okay, what else does this person want you to know right now? What else does this person want you to know right now? We have this person also could have a well-groomed beard, or they could maybe with their facial hair, it can be very well groomed. And this could be another clue on what this person is trying to tell you. They're trying to tell you, okay, imagine them looking into your eyes right now, enjoying looking at your smile. What do you see? What do you see? Ooh la la. Okay, we have this person could also be a car enthusiast. A car enthusiast, okay, or enjoys cars, or has like maybe a hobby. We've got green finger gardening. So we have, we had outdoor adventure nature lover. So this could be something that they enjoy. It could be something you talked about, or you both have a hobby or have this in common. Okay, or talked about growing your own fruits and vegetables and being self-sufficient. We have tech and savvy and into gadgets. So this person could be into gadgets. Perhaps it could be games, it could be computers, okay? But there's a strong energy here. Let's see what else wants to come up for the collective. Yes, look at this. They're coming through. So this could be a recent ex now as well. Okay. Our separation really helped me to see that you deserved so much more. So I feel like this could be someone who's still in your energy. Because we saw Three of Swords earlier. Okay, we saw a lot of Swords energy. And that could, really give that energy of someone's really thinking, someone's really appreciating and recognizing you. Now, I'm getting a message to go back to this proverb, because this proverb, we said someone always thinks their own is best. And I feel like perhaps this is message is also telling us perhaps this person did take you for granted, and now now that you're no longer in their kind of everyday energy. Okay, I feel like this person's really is giving that person time to reflect, is giving that person time to really see, wow, like you deserve so much more. You deserve so much more. Okay. Okay, so we are now going to look into the cupcake. I don't know, I was wanted to say earlier teacup, but it's the cupcake. Yes. Look, let's have a look and see what messages they want you to know right now from the cupcake. Let's have a look. Let's have a look and see what wants to come out. So the person on your mind, what do they think of you? The person on your mind, what do they think of you? Let's see. The person on your mind, what do they think of you? come out. Thank you. All right, so let's put the cupcake here and we'll have a look. Look at this. Did we say hot girl, hot gal earlier? Look at this. Hot gal, hot boy, okay? Hot gal, hot boy. Yeah, summer all seasons. So perhaps this person maybe again they could be fantasize. I feel like there's a strong fantasizing energy here, because we saw a lot of late night thoughts as well coming through. So this person could, I feel like, probably even thinking about, I wonder what someone's gonna be like, if you're gonna be wearing some fancy outfits, you know. I feel like they're really feeling like, oh yeah, I'm looking forward. Oi, 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 oi. We have tea sippers. Let's get sipping and enjoy some tea. Don't get too messy, child. Don't get too messy. Okay, we're getting a bit messy because we're looking into what they're do, what they think of you. Okay. So I feel like that's calling for a little sip of tea. So let's have a collective sip of tea. Okay, I've got some chamomile tea. What are you sipping on? Let us know. And, we're going to do something new at Wagwan Tara and Tea. Okay, especially because we've got this Caribbean connection at Wagwan Tara and Tea. Put your flags up in the comments down below so we know where you are watching from, or if you want to just rep your flag. Okay, and we are currently in carnival season, so rep your flag. Okay, let's take a nice sip together. Okay. Mm. All right, so do a fun workout. Ooh, wee. Again, we had fit and tone physique. Fit and tone physique. So I feel like I'm also getting these messages, this hot girl, hot gal. I feel like this person is enjoying seeing you in your garments, in your wear, in like what you wear. I'm getting also the message. Perhaps there could be strong energy as well. As we said, leisure. Perhaps this person also knows you or seen you in your like fitness garments, okay, fitness outfits, and I feel like they are very attracted. I feel like there's a strong energy of very attracted to you. We have go to the mirror and tell yourself you look good. Go to the mirror and we're gonna do this now. Let's do this collectively, okay? You, okay, we're gonna say I. Okay, so I'll tell you and you say I. So you look good. Yep, I am well and I look good. Yes, honey, we're clicking our fingers for that. Yes, you sure do. We have make a healthy meal. Look, there's another clue here. Make a healthy meal because we saw a lot of messages about food being here. And we have get your dancing shoes on. There's a message for you. You can see that. Get your dancing shoes on. So there is somebody who, I feel like there's someone who could want to take you out and have a good time, have lots of fun together. Okay, lots of fun together. So we're gonna have a look at some question messages. Okay, they're like some barefoot coaching cards. We're gonna have a look and see what messages want to come through. They're just some questions on. They're just like, yeah, just questions, like kind of coaching questions, but want to see what type of questions that the person in your mind may have for you. So let's have a look and see what messages they may be intrigued or wanting to know. Look at this. So we have make a list. Make a list of all the things you are grateful for in your life. And I feel like this could be something that they want to know because it could also, I feel like it's also helping them to see how grounded you are and what you appreciate, what you are thankful for. Okay. And I feel like that is something that they're important to them because look, we have this here. this is like a strong message of they want to be able to grow like older and look back and be thankful and be appreciative of what they have. And I feel like they want to have somebody who has that energy as well. Okay. And we have here, what is working well? What is working well for you in your life? This is a really good question. And I feel like this is also another way of like helping you to stay grounded. Again, we had a lot of strong energy about nature lover, okay, outdoor adventurer. And I feel like this person could be, as much as like they might be striving or working to build a career and things like that, I feel like this person really values the importance of connections. Okay, and I feel like this is what they want to kind of also see where if you both are in line in that way. Okay. So last but not least, we are going to end it with a chakra card. Let's have a look at a chakra wisdom card, oracle card, and see what wants to come up for the person on your mind. What do they think of you? So what chakra comes to mind when they think of you? Let's see. Ooh, okay. We have, I feel like this wanted to come out as well. So we'll have a look at the two of them. Okay, so we have the base chakra, which is, can you see this? Okay, so we're having like the root. Okay, I plant myself. Look at this energy of plant, outdoor, nature. I plant myself on solid ground. Hey, by consistently taking responsibility and having personal accountability for all that I do. I allow others to depend on me. Being responsible, my actions speak louder than my words. I rise above excesses and overindulgences as I forgive myself for my past indiscretions. I know I could not have acted in a more evolved way than I was able to at the time. So I feel like this could be also the energy from a crush. It could also be the energy of this person. Could be like working on this journey of becoming more mature, more taking more accountability. Okay, which is all of us. Part of our growth journey. That is something that we should all be striving for in taking accountability, recognizing our wrongs, our rights, and being and appreciative as well. Okay. And we have here, we have the crown, okay, the crown chakra. So that's all like our, again, that thinking energy, okay? We have, look, when my mind sways negatively, I remind myself of love, truth, gratitude, and spirit. I am the observer of my thoughts and I do not let them bring me down. I remind myself to have gratitude and acceptance for what is and to have the courage of my convictions. I continually pursue a clear understanding of spiritual truths behind all that is and that is unfolding. I ask myself, what am I thinking? The truth. What am I thinking? The truth. And is it having a positive or negative impact on my life? Wow, wow. So I feel like there's a lot of messages coming through. Okay. I feel like, the energy is also, waking in their base. Okay. So their root chakra and as well as their crown, which is that ability like to think, they're thinking, okay, seeing the long vision. Okay. It could be also connecting with their inner child. Okay. I feel like there's a strong energy of your presence and having a love and admiration for your presence. Okay. Now I feel drawn to pull one more. Let's pull drawn. Let's rewind. Let's rewind that. Let's rewind that. Let's rewind that. Okay. Back. Right, so we're gonna pull from these Power of Love cards and see what wants to see. Look, something wanted to come out. What wants to come out for the person on your mind? What do they think of you? What do they think of you? Respect. Your value. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. There's a lot of respect for you. A lot of respect, and respect is respect is the foundation. Respect is the foundation, and it's a good start. It's a good start. And I feel like it's also important, you showing that love and valuing yourself and setting yourself healthy boundaries, making respect be your minimum. And as well as like what you put out there, you know, like don't accept anything less, you know. If you're showing that respect to yourself and that same respect is radiating to others, don't accept anything less. Do not accept anything less. Do not accept anything less, and know that you are worthy and you are deserving of respect and love every time. And this is why at Wagwan Guarantee we promote that energy of bigging up yourself and loving on yourself, and all of these good energies combine. So let's see what else wants to come out for the collective. Shuffle, baby. Woo! Another one fell on the floor. A lot of energy today. A lot of energy. Let's see. What's this? Okay, we have cause and effect. You are aware that the love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and the foundation of your results. Oi, 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 oi. Didn't we just say respect is your foundation? So if respect is if you make respect as part of your foundation, this is also the energy of that cause and effect. Because you're showing yourself that love, you're showing yourself that respect, you are valuing yourself, those, putting yourself, into the where you're respecting your boundaries, so that wherever you put out there, you know, as long as you are showing that to yourself, that helps to radiate that energy. Because we saw the magician earlier, and that gives you that opportunity to be the magician, to manifest what it is that you want in your life. Now, I feel like this person has this energy of wanting to come to you, okay? I feel like they could be in their thoughts with it being upside down. I'm thinking, I don't know. But they're seeing you as a night nurse. They're seeing you as somebody who's very caring. Okay, they're very attracted to it. It's like your energy is like brings an uplifting energy towards them. Okay, and I feel like you do. You both have a lot in common. You both have a lot in common. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here. Okay, but put your flags in the comments. Let us know what you were stiffing on. Let us know what's going on with this person, this person, okay, that's on your mind, or that can be also is like trying to manifest you in. Okay, let us know, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, but be sure to take what resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Patwa, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, but be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.